Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, today myself Aarti Singh as your GK teacher is going to teach you another chapter of your GK book, that is What a Place. Before that, my dear students, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, subscribe it, like and share the videos. My dear students, everyone likes to travel different places. It gives us pleasure and joy, as well as also increase our knowledge by exploring different places. So my dear kids, you want to explore the world with me or not? Yes, you want to explore. So let's visit the different places, beautiful places of the world. We will start our journey with our incredible India. Here we can see a picture of Taj Mahal. Very good. India is having so many beautiful places with the great architecture, and the biggest example of it is Taj Mahal, which is situated in Agra, made by Shah Jahan in memory of his loving wife Mumtaz. The other example of beautiful architecture and the places is are Red Fort, Hawa Mahal, etc. So students, now let's move from India and visit the different places of the world. Like, what is this? Yes, the Great Wall of China. The length of this wall is 21,196 kilometers. Unbelievable, na? Yes. And students, it is situated at the northern border of China. Now move to the another country. Students, this is the picture of Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is a wrought iron tower and it is made in 1887, situated in the Paris. In the night view, it looks so beautiful, as you can see in this picture also. Now move to the another place. This is Colosseum. My dear students, Colosseum is an oval amphitheater in the center of city Rome. Now move to the another side. As you can see in this picture, this is the Statue of Liberty. What? Yes, Statue of Liberty. This is a picture and the symbol of friendship of two countries, situated in New York. And my dear kids, you know the height of this statue. The height of this statue is 93 meters. How much? 93 meters. So students, now move to the another place. Time to see the picture of Christ of Redeemer. You know students, this is situated in Brazil, and the Christ of Redeemer and art of deco statue of Jesus Christ. Height of this statue is 30 meters, less than Statue of Liberty. Okay, remember this. The height of the Statue of Liberty is 93 meters and the Christ of Redeemer height is 30 meters. Okay students, great. Now the last place. This is Buckingham Palace. What? Buckingham Palace. Very good. Buckingham Palace is the London residence and administrative headquarter of the monarchy of the United Kingdom. Okay, students, as you have seen the different places, we have visited the different places of the world, and now it's time to do some exercises. By these exercises, I would like to check your knowledge. Okay, students? Yes, this is the time for exercise. Be ready. See, in this picture, at the one side, it is written the name of the different monuments or the places that we have just visited, like Taj Mahal, Eiffel Tower, Statue of Liberty, Machu Picchu, Buckingham Palace, and the Great Wall of China. And the second side, it is written Paris, Agra, Peru, New York, China, and London. What you have to do? You have to match the places with the correct country. Okay, so this is your exercise. After doing this exercise, we will play another game or another exercise we will do in a different way. As you can see in this picture, at the down, some pictures I have given, like Statue of Liberty and the Eiffel Tower and other pictures. So what you have to do? You have to collect all these pictures and paste in your scrapbook. Okay, and after that, write the names of their under the pictures. Okay, students, so this was your chapter, What a Place. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share.